Hi guys, it's Amanda here. So I said I would share details about the phone case journal, and I'll do a flip through as well at the end. So this is, I brought a phone case, and no, I got it in a charity shop, so it was free, but it was new, and I thought it would fit my phone, but my phone is actually smaller than the case, so I wondered what to do with it. So it's made from it's kind of like a plasticky case. So what I've done is do lots of doodles on the back and the front, and when you open up inside, you've got this plastic base bit where the phone actually fits in. So what I did initially was to remove it and doodle on the inside of the case, and then I covered this plastic inner case with, it's like a handmade paper, and as you can see it was a white handmade paper, and then I just used alcohol ink markers and coloured it this colour, which is very similar, a bit brighter than the phone case itself. So once I had done that, I stuck it back using glue stick, hot glue stick, and I measured out the size of a mini journal. So it's not actually stitched, it's brought together with masking tape. The pages are brought together with masking tape, and I just measured out the inside and worked out how many pages I would be able to place in here without there being any issue with closing it, because if I want to add any embellishments or things like that, then it's going to make the inner journal a lot thicker. So then I went about adding collage to the pages, so that what I can do when I'm ready is I can come back in and the page is already done, and I can just add an image or add doodling as I choose. So like in the front, these are papers that I'd already painted something on, but wasn't pleased with it, in the sense that it was just like scrap pieces of paper, and I doodle on a lot of paper and then I use it as background paper in some of the work. And so I just added some marks with the alcohol marker, and I use paint as well. So I couldn't decide whether I just wanted it as a mark doodling book, or what I wanted to do. So any scraps of paper that I have, or paper that's patterned, I will put in here as well. And I've just gone through again scraps of paper that I'd use as under paper. This is like tracing paper or deli paper, and I've just had small bits of it and I've just added it to here again. So I like preparing these books for use at a later time, and sometimes all I am able to do, say, is some lines or some dots or some circles, so I just go with what I'm feeling to do and how much time I have, and or if this is like a slight distraction or taking a break in the work that I'm doing. So I've left it open as to what the pages are going to finally look like. But what we're going to do next is have a flip through of the pages, and yeah, I hope you like it. I hope you're able to do something very similar when you get a chance. So enjoy, and I'll see you another time.